Right now, the crawl space is full of water, burnt to a crisp. How the house didn't catch on fire, I do not have a clue. It's supposed to be about 1.5 inches off the siding, max. Right now, I'm around 6 inches. We're taking this wall out, moving it 4 feet. And what I'm gonna do is I'm doing an elliptical pour. We're taking a curtain drain right through here, and that's gonna take all the water that comes off the street and take it away from the house. I reduced that window size from 9 feet to, I think, 4 foot. I think it's 47 inches, close enough 4 foot. And we'll put the sliding glass door right here, and I'll build a deck off the back of the house where the deck should be. This house has lots of issues, and I've got this house because it has those issues and no other investor really wanted to do it. Hey everyone, Kevin Jardet. We're here today. This is a little different video than my other hundreds of videos I got. But today, this is a house that I bought to flip. Now, how's a flip house coincide with Insta Dri? I'll show you as we go through why. This house has lots of issues, and I've got this house because it has those issues and no other investor really wanted to do it. So this is my investment home because nobody else really can fix what I've got to do and still make money. So right here, we're digging a curtain drain. It's got to go a couple more feet deeper. We're taking a curtain drain right through here, and that's going to take all the water that comes off the street and take it away from the house. Right now, the crawl space is full of water. It hasn't rained in 3 or 4 days, and it's still just tons of water there. So we're going to take and dig this out and do a curtain drain. That'll take care of that water problem. Now, the reason I got this house was for this. Well, hold on one second. So this house before had just plain white vinyl siding. It's on the sides, which you'll see in a few minutes. On the side here, right next to air conditioning. Why you put a deck on the side of a house? I have no clue. But there's no parking space here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little retaining wall out here, and I'm gonna build the driveway up so that people have places to park. So you ought to get another car or two in it. And if you lower this to the foundation, this is where Insta Dri comes in. It's supposed to be about 1.5 inches off the siding, max. Right now, I'm around 6 inches. All right, so this whole wall is caving in. So we're gonna take and I'll dig into a whole new foundation wall on this side, as well as the front porch area. I've already dug down here, and you can see the foundation way back there. So it's already falling. It's already about to fall in anyway. So we're gonna dig this down deep, and what I'm doing is I'm doing an elliptical pour. Now, what an elliptical pour is when you have your footer and your slab in one pour. So you do a slab and footer. So basically, it looks kind of like this because it's deeper here, and then it can come back to your patio. Now, that'll bring that patio concrete will come up to about right here. So we'll have to waterproof this very well and flash it to keep where no termites or water or anything can get in that at all. So we'll do that, and we'll bring it up to the level of this door frame. We need to raise this up as high as we can to keep the water issues away from the house. So come on in, I'll show you what we're gonna do here. We're gonna put shiplap siding like on the front on this whole porch area as well. We tore off the wood paneling, the old paneling that went to vertical or sideways. We tore all that off here and on here. You can see I reduced my window size, like I told you earlier, down to here. This house had no insulation in it at all, so therefore that was not a surprise. Investors love surprises, right? When you pull off sheetrock off, oh my gosh, there's no insulation. Well, now I can't sell a house without insulation. It just don't go through my blood. So we have to tear all these outside walls out, which I'll show you. We've already done some of that. But we'll fill it with insulation, and it gives us a good time. It's a perfect time to change out the wiring. So the old two wire with no ground, we have to change all this out, and the whole house will have grounded wire and everything updated, which is awesome. The hardwood floors, we'll refinish it. I'll have to do some splicing and some stuff. They put cut the floor out with a skill saw, and they put it right back down. No bueno. It just don't look right. So I'm gonna take and lace it back in, get some hardwood, and then I'll refinish the floors. Then I'll put another new window in this one, and that'll bring that up to date and make it look right. I'm gonna leave these walls and everything. Even with this paneling, it's kind of a decorative paneling. It's actually in great shape, so I'm not gonna touch it. Investing, you always save as much as you can when you can, because other things cost you more. This room here, because I used to be a home inspector, I knew something was behind this wall. I figured it was a fireplace, so I poked a little hole in there. I put my camera up in the hole, and I saw the fireplace. So we actually I've already taken out from the roof down to here, and we just gotta take it down below the foundation area. I'll tear it out of the crawl space. It looks like it never had a fireplace. But it opens up this huge space. It opens all this up for a more closet space, which, what do women love? Storage, there you go. So this wall here, this whole entire wall, this room is only 8 feet wide, guys. I think maybe 9 feet is nothing, sucks. So the bedrooms are decent size. We're taking this wall out, moving it 4 feet. Okay, so since I'm already redoing the foundation, in all reality, it's only cost me an extra 4 feet of block, right? I'm already here doing the pour and everything else, right? So that'll cost me that, and then I gotta frame it, and I've gotta put a new roof on it. As far as from here back, that roof has a pretty good, probably has about 20 years left on it, so they replaced it within the last 5 years. However, the way I've got to redo all this, it takes out the sag that's in the roof, and it will look really nice. And this room will have carpet. I think every other room has hardwood already there. Then we come to the kitchen area. So the kitchen area originally had cabinets all through here, had that ugly refrigerator sitting right here, just ugly. And then has a sliding windows right there. They are insulated, the only insulated windows in the house, but they're aluminum. So we're gonna take and put all new cabinets. I've already got them in the other room. All new cabinets through here. Now I'm gonna do shiplap, backsplash, and shiplap this wall over here. Totally shiplap it. So it's still gonna have a lot of cabinet space. You'll have an island, and then you'll have this big open area here for your kitchen table. And I'm taking this window out here, and we'll put the sliding glass door right here, and I'll build a deck off the back of the house where the deck should be. A lot of people put decks on the side. I've never seen it before. Some people do that. 2 decks. Who wants to know who each other's neighbors? I mean, unless it's Bo Derek or I show my age. This room here is the laundry room. So I'm gonna take this door out, and I'm gonna put a door here, door frame here, and we'll put a sliding door, barn door there. And this is the laundry room. So the barn door opening view here, we're gonna move the washer and dryer connection to this wall. And the reason why I'm doing that is because it's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. I'm building the addition. We're gonna have 2 bedrooms, or 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. So the new bath, the master bath, will be to start about right here, and it'll be a great size. It'll be like almost 5 foot by 10 foot, which is gonna be a lot more space. Makes that room a lot bigger. And this particular room here that they built on, the foundation's good on this part of it, but they put a flat roof on it. I'm gonna raise that roof up. It'll all be gabled, be beautiful, look great, it'll last forever.
Show us the wiring in that bedroom.
The wiring? Oh, yeah. Here, check this out. So, this paneling had been repaired so many times. It had so many spots on it. I had to tear it off. But when I tore it out, this was behind it. But it did not have wire nuts. It was just there. I mean, and it's hot. So they left a hot wire in this wood wall. Well, this is what happened to the original wire. You can see it's burnt to a crisp. How the house didn't catch on fire, I do not have a clue, but it did not. That top board's a little brown, a little smoky color, so it may have caught, smoked a little bit, but somehow it did not catch on fire. That's the grace of God, so that was. They put splices in here instead of 1 piece of wood. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces on the bottom plate. So we'll tear all that out, put a real bottom plate under it. So like I said, we're gutting that bathroom. I think it'd be pretty cool to have that bathroom look like this with wood, but I'm not sure anyone else would like it, so I don't know. We'll see what happens when we tear the paneling off. If it's pretty, and I have to get some good opinions from people, I may just leave that one wall wood because it looks pretty cool. So we'll see. I think that's about it. So this is the beginning of the project. We're kind of started about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, as far as actually working on this house. So we didn't get the exact, we got pictures of the project before it started, but to get exactly like it was before we started, well, we missed the boat. But we will continue this project and we'll get back with you. If you like it, like and share this, please, and post it on your page. We appreciate it. Anything you can do for us on social media would be awesome. Thank you.